over the weekend, the U.S. and Israel striking Iran, and then Iran striking targets throughout the Mideast region.
Iran still has long strike capabilities. So this is an ongoing conflict. There, the message from the secretary was about the success of the U.S. mission, but it also underlined that this is not over yet. As he described, this is not going to end overnight to eradicate, as he put it, the Iran's missile facilities and drone facilities. So this is an ongoing operation and comes as the overall conflict is clearly broadening across the region, as you put in at the beginning here. We've seen just in the last few minutes, Israel confirmed it's launching new attacks in Lebanon around Hezbollah's attacks there. So that's another theater of this war. We've seen theaters from the Strait of Hormuz to the United Arab Emirates and of course to Iran itself. Other things from Pete Hegseth that we saw this morning is the timeline here. I think that's going to be a big question that we're going to be talking about throughout this whole week. Trump over the weekend has talked about a 4 to 5 week timeline of this conflict. Hegseth made clear this could be movable. He talked about a 2-week timeline. He talked about a 6-week timeline. So this is a lot of uncertainty on exactly what this operation is how long it's going to last. And also, I think there's some ongoing questions about the goal here. Hegseth, for his part, was focused on the military assets here. He talked about how this is about eliminating Iran's nuclear capabilities. He described the kind of political and economic consequences as a kind of almost a sort of secondary concern for him, at least. He said, this is a regime change. This is not a regime change war, but the regime did change. That's how he formulated it. This comes as Trump has offered a variety of perspectives on what he views as the end goal here, both in the military theater, but also in the political arena with the death of the supreme leader over the weekend as well.